Renewable energy offers a sustainable solution to our growing energy needs by harnessing nature's abundant resources. From sunlight to wind and water, these renewable sources provide a clean and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Solar energy, for instance, utilizes photovoltaic cells to convert sunlight into electricity, offering a reliable power source for homes, businesses, and even entire communities. Wind power, another prominent renewable energy source, harnesses the kinetic energy of the wind through turbines, generating electricity with minimal environmental impact. Additionally, hydropower utilizes the force of flowing water to generate electricity, making use of dams and turbines to capture the energy of rivers and streams. Beyond these well-established sources, emerging technologies such as tidal and geothermal energy hold promise for further diversifying our renewable energy portfolio. By embracing these renewable resources, we not only reduce our reliance on finite fossil fuels but also mitigate the harmful effects of climate change, paving the way towards a cleaner and more sustainable future.